Hey folks, Steve Gayton here. Wanted to take a quick moment to record a lesson on how to manage, rearrange, or add new pictures to the slideshow at the top of your website. So, the first step would be to log into Wix. This is where you'll see your back end. The next step is clicking on Edit Site in the upper right hand corner. That will bring up the editor, which takes a minute to load, so appreciate your patience. This really is an easy process and highlights kind of one of the main values of Wix as the underlying platform. This is really designed to be a page builder that anybody can use, regardless of your technical background. Maybe that's a bit of an oversell, but this chore in particular is easy enough that I think anybody on our team could do it. So the page builder is loading. This doesn't matter how fast your Wi-Fi is or how fast your computer is. This is just kind of a slow process. A lot of times I'll start the editor, just get up, walk away, get a drink or something, come back. I could have preloaded it for the video recording, but maybe next time. All right, anytime now. Here, this will load. It's going to bring up our home screen. I'm using Chrissy's site as an example. So I'm referring, of course, to this object here at the top of the home page. We generally call this the hero section. It's labeled as such. In this section is a full width slideshow. So you need to click on this object to get it in focus and bring up the options that let you make changes. So the two key controls we're going to use here is the Manage Slides button and the Change Slide button. So if you click on Manage Slides, it'll bring up a list of all of your slides. In most cases, I make an effort to provide meaningful labels to each of these slides so that if I want to come back and rearrange them, it's more obvious which is which. In this case, Chrissy didn't want this awesome picture of Dulles International Airport as the first slide in her display, so I'm gonna take this. I'm actually gonna drag it down and make it the last slide. But you can see that I can just drag and drop these slides in any order that I want, so it doesn't take any time at all. She had asked for brick front home as her first slide. Maybe then we'll go to downtown Leesburg. If I want to just see the slides as I'm making these changes, I can use this control here to switch, to toggle back and forth between them. So here's what the downtown Leesburg slide looks like. Next we've got the cute cottage. I'm gonna throw in an interior picture there. Then we've got our listing from Granada last year. That goes into an interior picture. Then the back porch picture. Let's break up the interior pictures with a swimming pool, and this is not too bad. So if that's all I wanted to do was rearrange these things, I could click publish. And then if I want to see how that looks, I could either hit preview. I tend to publish it and look at it in a real browser without that preview frame around it. But I can see now that my rearrangement has taken place, and I can click through these slides and see if the new order is everything I'd hoped it would be. And I have to say, not too bad. So the other common task is just what would it take for me to change a slide or add a new slide? That's also really simple. So let's say that we didn't love this picture of the kitchen, want to change that out. I just click on change slide background. And for this slide background, we want a new image. So I'll click there. I would upload the picture that I want to use instead. This is just kind of a standard drag and drop interface for uploading media. I would find a new picture on my computer, which I have. And after that is uploaded, I'm going to click on the change background button. Now, I'm not actually going to do that here because I don't want to make that change, but that's the process to do it. So I hope that is helpful, makes you feel a little bit more empowered, but of course, I'm always happy to make these changes for you. Just send me a note or give me a call. Thanks all. Take care.